Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired cottage decor inspiration with modern touch. Let's start the video. Vintage style cottage decor is a charming, cozy design style that combines rustic elements with nostalgic features from past eras, often from the late 19th century to the mid 20th century. This style focuses on creating a welcoming, lived-in space that feels warm and personal. Key features include antique and heirlooms, like vintage furniture such as wooden dressers, armchairs, and side tables, often with distressed or owned finishes. Floral patterns use soft feminine floral fabrics and contains cushions or upholstery. Use muted colors, soft muted shades like pastel pinks, pale blue, shades cream, and cream, often complemented by touches of white or beige. Use natural materials like wood, wicker, and stone are common materials used in furniture and accessories. Handmade touches, knitted throws, crocheted items, and vintage coils create a homely, handcrafted vibe. Rustic accessories, a mix of vintage kitchenware like enamel or old porcelain dishes, mason jars, and antique mirrors, add personality and history to the space. Use botanical and nature-inspired elements. Potted plants, flowers, and natural textures like linen and cotton are common. Overall, vintage cottage decor creates a timeless and peaceful atmosphere that evokes memories of countryside living and simpler times. Here are some tips to create a vintage-style cottage decor. Mix old and new. Blend vintage furniture with more modern or simple features to avoid a cluttered or overly dated look. For example, pair a vintage floral armchair with a modern neutral colored sofa. Choose soft and faded colors. Stick to soft muted tones like dusty pink, pale blues, light greens, and off-whites. This color helps to create a calm, serene atmosphere typical of vintage cottage style. Add vintage lighting. Choose light fixtures with a vintage flair, like antique candelabras, lamps with ornate bases, or retro-style sconces. This will create soft, warm lighting that enhances the nostalgic atmosphere. Don't overcrowd the space. The vintage cottage look is about comfort, not clutter. Keep your space cozy by selecting a few key vintage features and letting by the rest of the room breathe. By combining these elements thoughtfully, you will create a home that feels cozy and full of character. Vintage style cottage decor is not just a design trend, it is a feeling. It evokes warmth, comfort, and nostalgia, and a gentle romance that harks back to simpler times. Imagine a quiet countryside afternoon, the scents of lavender in the air, and the soft creak of an old wooden floor. This is the heart of vintage cottage living. The soul of this style, nostalgia and storytelling. Every page in a vintage cottage tells a story. An old iron bed frame, a tipped enamel teapot, and a framed floral curtain all carry history. This style invites you to blend inherited features, flower market treasures, and repurposed finds into a beautiful narrative of your home. Comfort over perfection. The vintage cottage home feels lived in and loved. It is about the shiny newness. It is about cozy corners, time-out textures, and the beauty of imperfection. Cracks in the wood, sun-fitted fabric, and creaky drawers are not flaws, they are character. Their textures and patterns, soft cottons, lace, ticking stripes, gingham, crochet, and floral prints mix and mingle effortlessly. A home styled this way is rich in texture, where each layer adds depth, charm, and comfort. Key style elements furniture. Vintage furniture, often painted white or pastel, and lightly distressed. Iron beds, ladder-back chairs, and discarded tables. Colors. Think gentle hues, buttermilk whites, shish green, dusty rose, hilly blue, and faded cream. Floors. Exposed wood, whitewashed planks, or antique-style pattern tiles. Walls. Bedboard, wallpaper with florals, or tile prints, or chalky matte paint finishes. The emotional atmosphere. Vintage Cottage Decor creates a space where you can drink deeply and slow down. To connect with your roots and memories. Find beauty in small, ordinary details like a own book spine, a pressed flower, or the pattern of morning light on a quilt. This style is often described as romantic, nurturing, beautiful, and emotionally grounding. Common touches that bring it to life. Open shelving with vintage crockery and teacups. Old trunks used as coffee tables or blanket storage. Antique mirrors, often oval or ornate. Cottage-style kitchens with apron sink and ceramic knobs. Handmade details, embroidery, crochet trolleys, hand-painted trays. Why people love it? It is warm and welcoming, perfect for families, creatives, and anyone who values height over high end. It allows for personal expression and collecting over time. It is often budget friendly, since second-hand and upcycled items are embraced. Historical and cultural roots, cultural traditions. Cottage decor draws inspiration from centuries-old rural homes found across Europe and North America. These toolings, often passed down through generations, naturally adopted a look that was both functional and personal. This style reflects an era when homes were built with local materials and designed to provide shelter and comfort rather than impress with modern conveniences. Evolution over time. While originally pragmatic, these interiors gradually took on a softer, more inviting appearance over time. The influence of Victorian, Edwardian, and even early 20th century farmhouse styles came into play, merging practically with the aesthetics of handcrafted, artisanal detail. Today, vintage cottage decor celebrates both this historical authenticity and the lovingly collected items that tell personal stories. Core design principles, warmth and nostalgia, and its essence. Vintage cottage decor values memories and history. Every tip teacup, own cushions, or hand painted pieces is an invitation of remnants. This style is less about perfection and more about the lived in film. Items are not pristine, but they exude warmth. Their textures, the hallmark of the style is its rich layering. Think of overlapping textures from soft fitted linens or rough woven wood and delicate lace. This textile's diversity creates a welcoming, multi-dimensional space where every surface invites touch and admiration. Mixing old and new. A key philosophy is blending genuine vintage finds with new pieces that echo classic lines. Instead of striving for a museum-like replication, the modern vintage cottage often includes contemporary touches that honor tradition while ensuring functionality and comfort. Key elements and materials. Use antique and upcycled furniture. Furniture choices. Look for pieces with a story, vintage dressers, side tables, and chairs that have years of history, whether found in estate sales or reclaimed from old barns. Distressing techniques. If sourcing authentic antiques is challenging, new furniture can be alternate with distressing techniques to mimic the wear and tear of time. Lighting and accessories. Lighting. Warm ambient lighting is crucial. Antique candlelights or ritual inspired lamps create shadow and depth and emphasize the beauty of aged surfaces. Decorative accents. Items like old books, vintage clocks, antique mirrors, and repurposed chance table serve both practical and decorative purposes, adding a layered narrative to the room. The emotional and experiential aspects, creating a story. Every corner of a vintage cottage is an opportunity to tell a story, whether it is a carefully crafted gallery wall of family photos or a rustic mantel lined with heirlooms. The decor invites introspection and conversation. The beauty of imperfection. There is a conscious embrace of imperfection. Minor flaws, a crack in the wood, a faded print, or an asymmetrical arrangement are valued for their authenticity. This philosophy contrasts sharply with modern designs, pursuit of minimalist perfection, celebrating instead the natural progression of time. Comfort and functionality. While stylistically nostalgic, vintage cottage decor is inherently practical. The goal is to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also livable. Comfortable setting, clutter controlled storage, and all throughout layouts ensure that the home remains functional for everyday life. Modern adaptation, sustainability, upcycled and eco-friendliness. A significant appeal of vintage cottage decor to the lies in its sustainability by repurposing old pieces and upcycling furniture. You not only gain a unique look but also reduce waste and support eco-friendly practice. Balancing old and new. Modern vintage interiors might incorporate advanced technology hidden with traditional facades or modern furniture that plays homage to vintage styles. This balance ensures that while the space is decorated with elements of history, it is also caters to contemporary lifestyles and comfort. Personalization. Today's vintage cottage style is deeply personal. It is not solely about following a prescribed look, but about weaving your own story into the fabric of your home through crafted pieces, DIY projects, and regional influences. Bringing the concept of life, creating mood boards and themes. start by collecting images and items that evoke the feeling you want, whether that is a coastal goddess vibe, woodland retreat, or an urban interpretation of winter's warmth. There are endless online galleries and design blogs that offer inspiration and detailed case studies on how others have achieved this look. Room by room considerations. Living room focus on a mix of comfortable setting, layered rugs, vintage art, and a focal page, like a reclaimed old coffee table. Kitchen emphasize open shelving, classic farmhouse sink, and vintage cookware and rustic detailing. Bedroom priority soft bedding in floral or pastel prints, antique bedside tables, and delicate lighting to evoke a peaceful, restful atmosphere. Outdoor spaces extend the vintage charm to porches or garden areas with antique outdoor furniture, wooded planters, and rustic decor items. Vintage style cottage decor is less about replicating a precise look and more about creating an ambience of lived in beauty, history, and comfort. It is an invitation to slow down, to surround yourself with the gentle imperfections that make life rich, and to craft a home where every page has both aesthetic appeal and sentimental value. Vintage style cottage decor is not a trend, it is a quiet poetry of living. It is about filling your space with soul, softness, and the kind of beauty that whispers in a state of shouts. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.